Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I have my Boxy Base box, so let's get in and check it out. This is my box from November. We're gonna dive right in. I'm gonna go through it quickly. We're gonna catch up. We are gonna catch up. But I'm anxious to see what I got. I do have a Boxy, what do they call it now, drop shop order coming, where I ordered a couple of the things that I wanted to be sure not to miss if it wasn't in my base or my premium, which I also have to do next. So this is my base box. Here's the paperwork. Ooh, Violet Voss, Violet Sunset. I wonder if it's what I chose. Let's pay what did Kathrin pick again? The November box is Boxycharm invite only, and that is what it looks like. Boxycharm, we just got an email. The price has gone up as of January 1st. I think it's gonna be $27.99. I think that's true. I'll let you know here if that's true. Seems odd they would make it change. Let's just call it $28. With the base box, you get one choice. And you will have 5 products and an up to $175 value. First out of the box, we have a Skin Fix Resurface AHA BHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pads. Go past these right along. This will just, my face will turn into a bright red rash. AHAs, BHAs, enzymes, they just really go after my face. The only pads I've ever been able to use that are kind of like these are the Elemis ones. And if I stick to not right here where I'm most tender, I can actually use those. This is what they look like now. And the paperwork says these one-step face and body body. I could do that. Help brighten and smooth the skin, while niacinamide supports a healthy skin barrier. Pre-soaked biodegradable pads help restore sebum, minimize the appearance of fine lines and pores, and target serious skin concerns such as acne, unevenness, and discoloration. They have a $50 value. What part of my body would I use these on? Like my upper arms to smooth out the look of my upper arm? No, that seems like a waste. I will pass these along. I'm gonna set this Violet Voss aside so we can swatch it at the end. Next out, I have a Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser. I would have sworn that I had this before, and I don't think you're supposed to get repeats. The Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser, a quick and easy way to cleanse and disinfect your artistry brushes. Made from natural orange peel and gentle cleansers, this makeup brush cleanser will get the job done while satisfying your senses. This product is also vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. $19 value. Let's see what it smells like. What if you can smell the orange in it? You kind of can. It smells nice. I really like to cleanse my brushes with soap so I can give them a good rinse. I'm always afraid that adding any sort of cleanser that doesn't 100% come off my brushes with my super sensitive skin, I'm afraid that it will add something that will irritate my skin. Next out, we have an Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base. That's kind of neat in light. I could use an eyeshadow base. I am using a Beauty Crop one that is kind of like a MAC paint pot, but it's drying out. I haven't been using it a real long time, and the top is drying out. So I am happy to have another one. I got this in light. I'm sure I didn't choose. I can't say that. Every time I say, I'm sure I didn't choose it, well then, darned if I didn't. It is right there. So it is a perfect color for me, which makes me always think maybe I did choose it, but maybe Boxy just nailed it. It is a good eyeshadow base color. So we will give this a try. It almost looks like it has a little bit of illumination. Let's see what the paperwork says. Eyeshadow Amplifying Base, $14.99, so it's a really good bargain. This eyeshadow amplifying base is a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. It intensifies the eyeshadow colors, both matte and shimmer, and allows all shadows to stay on longer. So it doesn't talk about being luminous. No, it's drying down to matte. Next I have, oh, these are super cute Luxy Brushes. Love Luxy Brushes. Never disappointed. True story. True story. Never disappointed with Luxy Brushes. This is the Luxy X Petite Pop La Roche. I don't know. Let's get in and see what we can find out. It's a cute little, I'm going to keep that to put him back in. We have a kind of flat, but oh, very not dense at all. Not sure what I would use that for. Maybe to, yeah, I'm not sure what I would use that for. And 2 eye brushes, I'd say. An angled type, blending type, what do they call these? Medium angled shading. Oh, what do they call the first one? Blush. Okay. And then concealer. Oh, that's kind of fun. So that's really a blush, an angled, and a concealer brush. So one face, one eye, and concealer. I love it that it's the gold and then the white and then the orange. Luxy Por la Noche. Blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with this starter brush set. This set covers all the essential brushes that you'll need when you travel, and it includes a festive zip pouch for storage. Has a $40 value, and it's a Boxy exclusive. No. This doesn't even begin to cover the brushes that I need even if I travel. But they're very nice, and I love adding Luxy brushes to my collection. I will pop them right into my becoming overstuffed brush holder. I love that Miami Art Deco look. I feel like there's something I should probably know about Por la Noche that I don't. Let's see if I can find anything out. It doesn't seem to tell me anything else on here. They are pretty, regardless. Okay. Now, let's get into this Violet Voss, which, let's be frank, if this was a choice, I chose it. Violet Voss of Violet Sunset. Ooh, it's very pretty. It has everything that I like. It has a nice base color, a couple of shimmers to tuck in the corner, some great, let's swatch it, let's swatch it. Ooh, I have that base on there. Let's pick two and see. We're gonna start on this bottom row because I wanna start with the purple, and I'm gonna take a little bit of the purple before we really get started. Little powdery feeling for Violet Voss. So those are the two shades. This one is in a place where there is none of the eyeshadow primer, and this one is where the eyeshadow primer is. I have to tell you, this, it went on better. I don't know whether that speaks, I think it has to speak to the primer. So we're gonna finish off this row. That one was Lilac. We have Violet Sunset, Sunset, Blush, and Dusk. The Violet Sunset, which is the first one I'm gonna show you next, is a shimmer. The rest are just mattes. Oh, yeah, I would almost buy it just for, oh, these are great. It was just, I wonder if I didn't get enough of that first one, but those are beautiful. And this, I would buy it just for, can you, that is gorgeous. I mean, I like, this is crazy. This is the Violet Sunset. I cannot even express to you in real life how beautiful this is. It feels creamy. I love it. So while my hand dries, I will tell you, I will put my link for Boxycharm in case you have any interest in this. I will put it below. I am not an affiliate with them, not at all. Just, I love it. People always say, which boxes would you keep if you could choose this over that? And Boxy would be here to the bitter end, I think, because it's a good combination of makeup, tools, skincare. I guess technically this is probably makeup, the primer, something to clean those tools they just gave me with. It's just usually a really good combination. Now we're gonna do this top row. So this is the vanilla that I would just use for an all over color. Then we have peach, desert sand, champagne, and I'll do this on my thumb, amber sky. So that's that last dark one, but those are those. Very neutral, but very pretty. Oh, that vanilla, although it looks like a matte, I hope that can come across. Oh, it's the same color as Kathrin. It has some sheen to it. It's way prettier. I did not anticipate it having any sheen. That is what they look like, and they are very neutral, but they are very wearable. I will be dipping into this in no time. With these two purples for a pop, that, love it. In this box, I received the Skin Fix AJ/BHA Enzyme Exfoliating Pads, the Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser, the Violet Voss Violet Sunset. Next, I have the Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base in Light, and we have the Luxy Brushes. I do love a Luxy brush. I did not tell you about that Violet Voss palette. It says, get your daily dose of magic hour with the Violet Voss Sunset Palette, a color story inspired by the magical colors of the sunset. Your eyes are sure to be the main attraction. It provides iconic, everyday warm neutrals and contemporary pops of color to achieve all the looks you desire and more. Experience Violet Voss's addicting formulas in the perfect mix of mattes, shimmers, and metallics. Always pigmented and extremely blendable. $37 value. I do like the Violet Voss formula. I still, on the regular, reach for the Holy Grail palette. That Holy Grail palette is, it's got neutrals in it, but some pops of color. I like it. Today, Huda Rose Gold palette. I like it. I like them all. That's the problem. I don't use any of them enough. I just jump around. All right, guys, thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I'll see you really soon.